Minisita omujja ow'ensonga z'abakozi Esther Davina Anyakun ayingidde mu nsonga z'abakozi n'okulambika butya bateekeddwa okuba nga bakola emirimu gyabwe abadde asinkanye ekitongole ekitwala abakozesa mu ggwanga erya Uganda nga bakyusa obukulembeze bwabwe munafu olwa Gabriel abaddeko tulabe ensonga bwe zitambudde.
Abawandiika abakozi ku mirimu egy'enjawulo mu bitongole ne kampani wansi wa Human Resource Association of Uganda bakubiriziddwa okuwa ekitiibwa abakozi baabwe. Obubaka bwa Minisita ow'ensonga z'abakozi Esther Anyakun omujja nga babadde bakyusa obukulembeze bw'ekibiina ekibagatta.
We are the ones who improve the lives of the people we manage, the people we motivate intrinsically and extrinsically. It's we, the human resource manager. Even if I left politics, I'll still go and manage people in whatever capacity as a manager, as a human resource manager, because I believe in people. And being a human resource manager, you must have empathy as a strength. There's no way you can be a human resource manager because every person, even whom you don't expect, will come even and be annoyed and annoy you. Sometimes you have to put yourself in their positions. You don't know why they've come in that position that day. Maybe they have a very big challenge. So you have to have empathy. You have also to be, you have to be able to understand their issues.
Minisita Anyakun agamba abakyala babassaako obukwakkulizo ekibalemesa abamu emirimu abalala ne bamala geewaayo olw'okuyaggayagga kwe babaamu.
You're a human resource manager and you don't have empathy, then you're in the wrong place. Better leave the job and do something else. Because you're not putting yourself in those people's shoes. Because you have to feel, what if it was you're doing that to a person? You get an accident, they don't take care of my medication. You want my parents to, I go back with my injuries home. Someone is fired mysteriously just because maybe a girl refused the guy, and then you fired. Especially, women always go through this. So we are here to work and to support each other.
Abamu kubaddukanya ensonga z'ababundabunda beesamba ebibiina nga bino ate nga bibayambako okutereera emirembe mu ggwanga eribasenzezza.
1,400 is not enough. I would expect it to be more than that because I know there are those informal jobs and formal jobs. Many organizations, like for example, in when I was working in my former ministry, I had 152 organizations that was working, who are monitoring under the refugees. They should be able to have their members here. They should be able to have their members here because they are carrying a very big number of people who are employed under the refugee response. So we should be able to reach out to them to be able to register here.
Lwabushayija Margaret Namubiru, omubaka w'abakozi mu Parliament nga musomesa omutendeke, asabye Minisita Anyakun okusesera ku binyiga abakozi.
Then they wanted, just like I also wanted, to make sure that the work in the industrial court can move a little fast. Because with those numbers at the backlog, you might find that some of the people will die without ever benefiting from the industrial court. But when the justice is not done, then there is a lot that we lose.
Kibuuka Bosa Ronald, Ssentebe wa Human Resource Association of Uganda, agamba beetaaga ku nsimbi ez'okwekulaakulanya eziweebwa ebibiina ebirala.
What the advocacy we are looking at is making sure that HR professionals are registered and then they have an annual license to practice, which license can actually be revoked in the event that the person who is not living up to the standard that is expected is actually handled.
Bya Ora Gabriel, Salty TV, Omunyo.